How to unblock your phone from a blocked Wi-Fi connection. Hello guys, this is Jack and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by Create, Login and Delete, I will teach you guys how you can unblock your phone from a blocked Wi-Fi connection. So let's get started. First of all, you will need to head over to your settings. After you head over to your settings, go to Wi-Fi. Now after you're on your Wi-Fi settings, simply tap on the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. And now you're on the Wi-Fi settings. Now scroll down till you find an option that says private Wi-Fi address. Tap on private Wi-Fi address, and if the private Wi-Fi address is turned off, turn it on, that is, keep it on fixed, or if it's on fixed, you can simply turn it off. Either way, just change it from the way it was. After you do that, your problem should get fixed as the MAC address of your connection will get changed. And now you can use the Wi-Fi. And that is how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.